Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you my favourite natural and organic cleaning products. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you my favourite natural and organic cleaning products. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the products that we like to use to clean our home. So on a Saturday we normally do a very big clean of the house, but during the week I sometimes clean different areas of the house. I'll make videos of that as well, and I like to try and use natural or organic products to do that. In recent years I've been swapping out the chemical products and moving in the natural or organic products instead, and I've found some really good cleaners along the way. Some of them you have to make yourself, but I still think they are fantastic cleaners, and they're things that my grandmother would have once used as well. My grandmother will be cheering in heaven that I've gone back to bicarbonate of soda, I'm sure. So yes, I thought I'd just share with you the cleaning products that I like to use. The first product I want to talk to you all about is this one. This is a natural cleaner, so it's a non-toxic cleaner, and it's by a company called Methods, and we buy these in bulk from Costco. So Costco are now selling these at a lot cheaper price than the supermarkets sell them at as well. I just have to say that. So they sell a pack of 3, so they sell a bathroom one as well, which my husband uses on a Saturday morning when he cleans the bathrooms. And they also sell an anti-bac all-purpose cleaner. So normally when we run out of the bathroom one or the normal multi-surface spray, we tend to turn to this. So we've got quite a few upstairs at the moment, but yes, we bought these from Costco a little while ago, and they do last a really long time as well, I have to say. These are quite good products. They clean really well. As I said, they're non-toxic, but they do have a little bit of perfume in, which isn't good. But I think as it's a non-toxic product and it's a multi-surface cleaner, I think it's perfect really for what I need it for. So I tend to use this in the bedrooms upstairs, I'll use it in the back room, and I use this a lot in the kitchen as well. And as I said, once I've run out of this one, I normally use this one instead. And my husband will use that one in the bathroom as well. So yeah, that is Method, and if I can find this product, I'll link it in the description box below for you. To do my washing up with and to clean my floors with, I like to use this washing up liquid by Ecover. So this is a plant-based product that contains no chemical nasties. However, I did note that it does have a small bit of perfume in it, unfortunately, but it is a nearly natural product. It's biodegradable ingredients as well, so everything you put into your sink will hopefully disappear and not harm the environment at all. And it's vegan friendly as well. I really like this one. They do another scented one as well, which is really nice, but this one is really nice. I really like this one. And as I said, I use this in the washing up. We actually have a dishwasher, so I generally don't tend to need to use it too often, so it does last a while, but I do like to use this on my floors as well. So I will use this with some vinegar that I'll be showing you later, and I also like to put in a few drops of essential oil as well. Any essential oil will do. Tea tree is really nice, lemon is really nice as well. Lemon is a really nice essential oil to put in when you're cleaning and stuff. I generally tend to use lemon essential oil if I'm cleaning the house. So yes, I really like this product. And as I said, it lasts us a while because we don't do a lot of washing up because we have a dishwasher. So I would rate this product quite highly, and if I can find it, I'll link it in the description box below for you. And the next product that I wanted to share with you is this one. This is a fabric softener, again by the company Ecover. I really like their products and I would use their washing powder, but I do think it's a bit expensive for what it is, and I'm still looking into washing powders, but I really like their softener, I have to say. This is a really nice one. They do another scent as well, but I can't remember what that one's called. This is the Apple Blossom and Almond one, and it does make your clothes smell really nice. The only thing I would say about this product, again, it does have perfume in it, but it is the last ingredient, so it's not that bad. If it's at the bottom of the ingredients list, then it's a very small amount of it in there. It's, as I said, it's a plant-based product. I mean, it's biodegradable as well. I really like using this in my washing machine, and I'm also thinking about adding a bit of water and some of this to a spray bottle and perhaps spraying the sofas and the carpet maybe as well, because when I come in from outdoors, sometimes I can smell the cooking smells because I love to cook so much. There's quite a lot of cooking smells in our house, and there aren't that many windows to air the house, so I do smell cooking smells when I come in, so I'm trying to think of natural ways to get rid of that cooking smell. If anybody has any ideas, please let me know in the comments below. But yes, I'm thinking of using this as like a Febreze. Instead of using Febreze, I'm thinking of adding a bit of water to this and using it on the carpets and the sofas. So watch this space. I will make a video about it, I promise, and if I can find this product, I'll link it in the description box below for you. And then the next product that I really like using around my home is this Method Wood Polish. This is a non-toxic plant-based product. Again, I think it will have perfume in it because it does have a very distinctive smell. It actually smells like cherry bakewell tart, which is really nice, I have to say that. If anybody else has used this product and thinks the same, please let me know in the description below. I'd love to know if it's not just me. I have a feeling it might be, but to me this smells like cherry bakewell tart. But yes, anyway, I use this on our wooden furniture. We have wooden furniture in our dining room and in our living room as well. So I generally tend to use it downstairs on those items. I don't generally tend to use it upstairs because we don't have that much wooden furniture upstairs. We only have one big chest of drawers and nobody ever really uses it anyway. So I'll just give it a dust when I go up there and that's it. But if I'm doing a deep clean of our cupboards downstairs, then I will always use this on the deep clean. This is a really nice product. It really does do a great job at polishing the furniture, I have to say. It wasn't the cheapest product, like all of those aren't really that cheap, but it is a good product and I would recommend it. As I don't use it that often, I don't mind buying it every so often as well. I probably go through a bottle of this every 6 months or so. So yes, anyway, again, if I can find it, I will link it in the description box below for you. And then I also like to use essential oils around my home. So when I'm doing the dusting, I will just use a feather duster and a few drops of essential oil on a feather duster, and I will just simply dust like that. I find that is the most effective way to dust anything. I don't think you necessarily need a lot of products. So I always buy a big pack of this. I use this as well in a foot spa that I do at night. So I'll choose a couple of different essential oils and I'll put them in the foot spa. But normally, you normally go for the lemon or the tea tree in these. The lemongrass is really nice as well. So this pack contains lavender, sweet orange, tea tree, eucalyptus, lemongrass, peppermint, bergamot, frankincense, lemon essential oil, rosemary, cinnamon and ylang ylang as well. So it's a big pack. It didn't cost that much, I have to say, and it wasn't too expensive to buy. The one thing you have to look out for though with essential oils is that they're 100% pure. Because if they're not 100% pure, they've probably been made with petrochemicals instead. So always watch out for that. But as I said, these aren't too expensive and they make the house smell really nice as well. So if I can find this product, I'll link it in the description box below for you. And then on to making my own cleaners. So I like to buy bicarbonate of soda by the bucket. My grandmothers, as I mentioned earlier, will be cheering in heaven at this one because they loved bicarbonate of soda. I remember my nan used to have big buckets of it and she used to use it for things like gnat bites. So if your gnat bite was itching, she'd put a bit of bicarbonate of soda on it and the itch went away. It worked for me. If it works for you, then let me know. But yes, bicarbonate of soda is a brilliant product. It's an all-natural product as well. And this one that we buy, we normally buy this in a bulk online. If I can find where we buy it from, I will link it in the description box below for you. But it's GMO, paraben and aluminium free, and I really like using bicarbonate of soda. I've used this in lots of different places. So I've used this in the kettle, I use it in the sink to unblock the sink. It really helps to unblock the sink with a bit of vinegar. I've also used it in the bathroom before to clean the bathroom tiles. It is just a really versatile product and it also goes in cakes as well. But don't put this one in cakes, I don't think that's a good idea. Although, does it? I don't think this one is edible, so yeah, I wouldn't be putting this one. But the one you get in the supermarket is fine, but this one I probably wouldn't put in there. So yes, again, if I can find this product, I'll link it in the description box below for you. And then, as I said, I also like to use vinegar as well to clean with. This product, we buy these in bulk. So they come in these big 2 litre bottles and we get 4 in a pack. It works out quite cheap, although you do have to have the storage. So currently I'm storing these all over the house. I'm sure I'm going to lose a few and find them in a few years' time and think, oh, that's where you went. But yes, these are really handy to have. I use this, I'm going to have to put this down because it's really heavy, but I will link it in the description box below for you. I use the vinegar in my mop and for cleaning the floors on a Saturday morning, so cleaning the wooden floors and the tiled bathrooms upstairs. So what I like to do is I like to put a cup full of this into a bucket and I put in a few squirts of my washing up liquid, and then I also use some essential oils as well. So I'll either use a lemon essential oil from this pack or lemongrass I've been using recently as well. Rosemary is really nice as well. And then I just mop away with that mixture in the bucket with some water, and it does a really good job, I think, and it cleans everything really well. It does smell of vinegar, I have to say. It does generally tend to smell a little bit, but the smell goes after about 5 or 10 minutes, maybe half an hour at the most. And vinegar is actually a really good natural disinfectant as well. And I don't feel like I'm harming the environment by using this product either. I feel like I'm doing something nice for the environment by using a natural product in my home. Howard also uses this in the toilet as well, so he cleans the toilets with some vinegar. It just does a really good job at cleaning lots of different things in your home. I'll also clean the washing machine with it as well. So if I do a spin without any clothes in, I'll put some vinegar, either some bicarbonate of soda or some soda crystals, which I'll talk to you about in a moment, into the washing machine, and I'll just spin it with no clothes in, and that seems to clean it really well. So yes, vinegar, versatile product, and I love it. And then I also use soda crystals. So what I like to do is buy about 4 packs of soda crystals, and I put all the soda crystals into this box, and I use this in the washing machine. I recently used soda crystals to clean the kitchen walls with, so my kitchen walls were looking quite grotty, so I thought I'd give them a quick clean. So what I did was I got some soda crystals, a little bit of vinegar, some water and some essential oils, and I just mixed that made it into a paste, and I just cleaned the kitchen walls with it. It worked really well. The walls are still looking very nice and clean as well, I have to say. Soda crystals I also use in the washing machine, so I'll put in a scoop of washing powder and then a scoop of soda crystals, and then I'll also put in my fabric conditioner as well, and that generally tends to clean the clothes really well as well. I have tried not using washing powder before, but it didn't work too well, I have to say. I tried using soda crystals and vinegar and some essential oils, but that didn't really work that well, I have to say that. But yeah, I'm still looking at natural alternatives for washing powder, so bear with me, and natural alternatives for dishwasher tablets as well. But soda crystals I really like as well, and if I don't have any sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda or whatever you want to call it, I will also use soda crystals as well. So yes, these are really versatile, like the sodium bicarbonate. I almost forgot one. The final product that I really like to use in my home is this Biomex. This I bought on Amazon, and I think I bought this to clean the fireplace with. It worked really well on the fireplace. I did that video quite a few years ago, so if I can find it, I'll link it in the description box below for you. It worked really nicely on there. But I tried it in the kitchen sink, and this is the one place I really like to use this product, is the kitchen sink. It does a really good job. I have a butler's sink, so it's white, it's quite deep, and it does tend to show the dirt quite a lot as well. And this product works really well on that sink. I think you can use this on your bath and your sinks in your bathroom as well. We generally don't generally use it in those places. I just generally use it on the sink, and as I said, it's a really nice product. It wasn't the cheapest, I have to say, but it has lasted me a really long time, so I'm really pleased with this product, and if I can find it, I'll link it in the description box below for you. That's all the products that I like to use in my home, and that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.